Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code SU-41333-4. First, try restarting your console fully. This often resolves minor issues by clearing temporary glitches. Next, ensure your system software is completely up to date, as outdated versions can frequently cause problems. Also, check that your console's disk drive is clean and free from any physical blockages, which might interfere with its operation. These initial steps are quick and can often resolve the error. If a simple restart doesn't work, rebuilding your console's database is the next crucial step. Power off your console completely, avoiding rest mode. Then, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear 2 distinct beeps. This action will boot your console into safe mode. From the Safe Mode menu, select the Rebuild Database option to optimize your system files. Should rebuilding the database not resolve the issue, reinstalling the system software is the next advanced solution. You will need a USB drive, formatted to FAT32, with the latest system software update file downloaded onto it in the correct folder structure. Connect this USB drive to your console while it is in safe mode. Then, choose the Reinstall System Software option from the menu to proceed. If after trying all these troubleshooting steps, error code SU-41333-4 persists, it's time to contact customer support. This indicates a potentially more serious underlying issue, possibly requiring hardware repair or even a replacement console. When you reach out, be sure to provide your console's exact model number and clearly state the error code you are experiencing for faster assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.